Asamile ke emalungiselelo enkomfa ye-ANC lekufute ibe ngenyanga yeNgongoni kuyo lomnyaka ngekusho kwetisebenti letfube umsebenzi. Letisebenti letingakabhadalwa tinyanga letintsatfu betibambe umhlangano ngetebucwebeshe besimanje manje lapho betivakalisa khona tikhalo tato njengobe tinelitsemba lekuthi lo mhlangano wesigungu lesetulu lochubekako utaba nemiphumela lephatsekako. Letisebenti titsi baholi balenhlangano bakhombisa ukuthi bayafuna kutisita.
Stay away currently is going to have a huge impact on the ANC. Currently, as we are preparing for regional conferences, branches of the ANC must convene PGMs and PPGMs, and then they must receive QR codes from the membership system. Currently, none of them is able to do that because of this action of ours. Therefore, what it means that everything in terms of preparing for a conference is in a standstill. That's a huge impact that is going to have at the ANC, even if the leadership of the ANC at the national level they lack this commitment. They will feel pressure not only from the staff members of the ANC, but from all structures of the ANC, because this has rendered them not to be able to function normally.